Since we started this project in 2022, we have already provided free transport services to 1.1 million Filipinos. Our free transport service program has helped commuting students, the general public, and people who works at a BPO company.
Ginagawa natin ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Shukran.